Good evening. I am Rini Gupta, your tech host. Welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin. In today's tech news, Samsung unpacked even on July 10. Ola Electric's vision for India in the global energy revolution. Oppo Reno 12 series with AI feature to launch in India soon. MXDR as a key defense against rising cyber threats in India. Netgear launches cloud manageable smart switch series for 10 gig connectivity. TP-Link opened its first state-of-the-art display center in Bengaluru. Palo Alto Networks Global State of Cloud Native Security Survey and more. Samsung is set to introduce at least 5 new products in the Galaxy Unpacked event on July 10 in Paris. This event is expected to be one of the biggest launch events of the year. The highlights of the event is the Galaxy Z Fold 6. It is expected to be lighter and thinner than its predecessors with a more rectangular design similar to the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, a big foldable screen inside. It supports stylus input, which will be a part of special case likely sold separately. The next clamshell format foldable, the Galaxy Z Flip 6, will feature unique cover display and use the same Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 as the Fold 6. Expected updates include new color options, a slightly bigger battery, and updated optics. The Galaxy Buds 3 series will resemble Apple's AirPod lineup. Features may include active noise cancellation, enhanced battery life, HD audio output, and dual device pairing. In March 2021, Ola Electric founder Bhavesh Agrawal oversaw the construction of the Ola Future Factory in Pochampally, Tamil Nadu. The facility, built in 8 months, achieved an installed capacity of 1 million units per year by October last year. Agrawal emphasizes the opportunity to build the future of energy in India. He highlights that India's sustainable future is crucial of the world's sustainability goals, given India's significant population. Ola Electric aims to make India a core part of the global energy revolution. The focus is on accelerating the electric transition in India and becoming global leader in this space. Agrawal becomes global players like Tesla to establish operation in India, which will enhance the Indian EV ecosystem. Oppo launched the Reno 12 and Reno 12 Pro globally last week. Both smartphones are set to launch in India soon. Oppo has started teasing the smartphones with their new AI feature, which include AI Eraser 2.0, removes unwanted background distraction with the button click, including humans and objects. AI Clear Face enhances photography by generating HD details of facial texture. AI Studio, similar to Apple Memoji, it allows user to transform photo into digital avatars. AI Best Take and AI Perfect Shot help in tracking perfect group photos. The AI Toolbox include AI Writer, AI Summary, and AI Speak for custom tasks. AI Recording Summary can summarize daily office meeting and provide notes in English and Hindi. Reduces background noise by 40 dB in voice and video calls. Indian organization face an average of 2,924 cyber attacks per week, more than double the global average of 1,401. Managed extended detection and response solutions are being adopted to combat these threats. MXDR integrates data from multiple sources for unified visibility and faster threat detection and response. Integrated visibility across all security platforms. Rapid deployment and immediate protection. Improved analyst productivity through consolidated dashboard. Centralized incident response capabilities. Enhanced compliance reporting and audit feature. A PwC survey indicates that 38% of the respondents believe their company is highly vulnerable to cyber threats. Cybersecurity has become the top priority in risk management. Experts predict that MXDR will play an increasingly crucial role in helping Indian organizations strengthen their security and posture. Netgear has launched the S3600 series smart switches designed for 10 gig connectivity. The series includes the 8-port 10G multi-gigabyte and 16-port 10G multi-gigabyte switches. These switches addresses issues such as connectivity drops, slow speeds, bottlenecks, lagging connect streaming, and slow downloads. They provide flexible and auto-adaptive wired connectivity for high bandwidth devices. The S3600 series is a part of Netgear's total network solution, which includes the PR60X Pro router, Pro Wi-Fi, access point, and Inside Cloud Management platform. The switches offer intuitive web management for rapid onboarding and advanced smart switch feature like IPv6 layer static routing, DivServ QoS policies, LACP, and more. TP-Link, in collaboration with AH Infotech, has opened an innovative display center in Bengaluru. The center features TP-Link's latest products, including home networking devices, smart home technologies, smart cameras, and enterprise solutions. Visitors can experience the performance and capabilities of these advanced products firsthand. Products showcased include Wi-Fi routers, VG surveillance system, Tapo security, and smart home devices, and Omeda Enterprise Network Solution. The display center provides an interactive experience, allow guests to explore TP-Link's vision for the future for networking and smart home technology. India is second in AI adoption, with 58% using AI for code optimization. Palo Alto Networks published its Cloud Native Security Report for 2024. The report is based on research conducted across 10 countries and includes insight from over 2,800 cloud security and DevOps professionals. The report identifies AI as a key driver of a fast application development in the cloud. However, AI also poses significant security risks that need to be managed effectively. India is the second highest adopter of AI, with 58% of respondents using AI extensively for code generation and optimization. Singapore leads with 60% and Brazil follows closely with 57%. Germany and Japan have more conservative AI adoption with around 52% and 51% respectively. Using AI moderately and selectively, 43% of security professionals accept AI-powered threats to bypass traditional detection methods. This is Rini Gupta signing off. Don't forget to stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for your all tech updates.